Have you ever wondered, can you actually invest in US market as a complete beginner or even as an international student in US? Yes, when I came to US from Nepal, I had the exact same question and honestly I didn't even know if it was possible. But now, after investing well over 2 years and growing my account to a good position, I can clearly say that yes, it is possible and you can do it too right now.
In today's video, I am going to explain everything step by step. Here's what I will cover. Can international students and beginner really invest? What stocks, IPOs, ETFs, index funds, buying and selling actually means in the simplest language? The different types of trading, scalping, day trading, swing trading, and long term investing. How to open your first brokerage account and deposit money, how to actually buy your first stock on Webull or any other you choose, the rules around long term versus short term investing and trading, and at the very end, I'll give you my best stocks that I personally hold right now.
So stick with me until the end because by the time this video finishes, you will exactly know how can you start your investing journey. So let's get started. So the first question everyone asks is, can you even invest in US stocks as an international student or beginner? The answer is yes. You don't need to be a US citizen. All you need is a valid passport, driver license or state ID, a US address, and usually a social security number or ITIN. So if you have those, you can open an account with most brokerages. Your visa type like F1 visa, J1 visa doesn't stop you from investing. Okay, now we know all the rules. Let's go ahead. Okay, what exactly are these terms everyone throws, like stocks, IPOs, ETFs, index fund, trading style? Let's break it down like I'm explaining to a complete beginner.
Stocks. Imagine a company like Apple is a giant pizza. When you buy a stock, you're buying one slice of that pizza. That slice means you own a piece of Apple. Next is IPOs. IPO stand for Initial Public Offering. It's when a company sells its pizza slice to the public for the very first time. Back in Nepal, I used to apply a lot of IPOs, and here in US, it works in a similar way like Nepal. Third is ETFs. This stand for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a basket filled with many different slices of pizza. Instead of just Apple, you get a little bit of Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and more all in one investment. Index funds. These are ETFs that track a whole market index, like a S&P 500. So, when you buy one, you are basically investing in 500 different US companies at the same time.
Both ETF and index fund are considered comparatively safer because your money is divided into different companies, so your money grows steadily, safely.
Now, let's talk about different types of trading or investing. Number one, scalping. Buying and selling in minutes, making tiny profits, very stressful, very advanced. Number two, day trading. Buying and selling within the same day, also risky, and I don't recommend this for international student in the US. Number three, swing trading. Holding stocks for days or weeks or even months for a good move up or down. Number four, long term investing. Buying and holding stocks for months and years, letting your money grow slowly and steadily, which I recommend to international students. Do it to save money.
In US, most students, especially busy people, goes with long-term investing or swing trader because you don't have to watch the charts for whole day and there is no more stress and it's comparatively safer as well. So I recommend you do the same. Now let's talk something really important in investing, that is risk. Stocks don't just go up, they also go down. Sometimes a little, sometimes a lot. And that is what the risk of investing is, your losses.
This is where tools like stop loss come in. Think of it as a safety net. You set a price where your stock will automatically sell if it falls too much. That way, you protect yourself from losing more than you can handle. I'll make a full video just on stop loss and take profits so that you can have a better understanding. So stay tuned for future videos.
Alright, now let's get practical. Here's how to start investing step by step. Number one, choose a brokerage. I have made a list of 5 different brokerages that is best in my opinion in US. So number one is Webull, my personal favorite, and I also do investing in Webull. Number two is Robinhood. It is also very simple to use and easy to use, and Webull and Robinhood are my top 2 recommendations. So number three is Fidelity. Number four is Charles Schwab. and number 5 is interactive brokers. So these are the 5 brokerages app that you can download for free from App Store or Play Store and start your investing journey. Where comes the step 2, that is open your account. So download the app, fill in your ID, SSN or ITIN, and fill in your address, fill in the every information that it is asking like Gmail, put in your phone number, verify it, and then link your US bank account, which is very easy. Once you download the app, I'm pretty sure you'll get through it. Now third step is deposit money. Deposit your money from your US bank account that you just linked. Here's the interesting thing, that you can start your investing from as low as $5, $10. That depends upon the brokerage app that you just opened. So once you deposit the money, you're all set to go and ready to invest in US stocks. So now after that, here's your step 4, that is buy your first stock. I'll talk about Webull, or you can do on any platform that you chose, because most of the platforms goes similar. Here's how you do it on Webull. First, open the app, go to the search tab, search the stock you want like Apple, tap trade. Now enter how many stocks you want to buy in quantity. In the order type, there is limit. So the limit you have to set it to market orders so that you can buy in the market price going currently. Once you do that, check in the bottom that estimated total. The estimated total is the total amount that is costing you to buy the stock, and then buying power means the buying amount that you have right now to buy the stock. So once you do that, tap buy, and after you confirm it, officially you have 1 share or 2 share or how many you chose in the quantity of those share of Apple. That's it, you officially own your first stock. In future videos, I'll be showing you exactly how to set a stop loss, how to sell, and more advanced strategies. Before you even start, let me save you from 3 biggest mistakes that beginners make while investing in stocks. Number 1 is chasing hype stocks just because they are trending on TikTok, social media, YouTube, or any other social medias. Number 2, forgetting to check the commissions. Always check your fees and commissions before you place any trade. Number 3 is ignoring taxes. For international students, it's easier than you think. Trust me. Webull gives you a tax document. You just have to pull up that document and submit it while you are filing taxes for your tuition fees or any other taxes. Avoid these mistakes, you'll already be ahead from any other beginner. Let me give you 4 stocks that I've currently invested in, and I have done some research on those stocks. Quick note, this is not a financial advice. Number 1 is Sofi Technology, a fast growing digital bank and finance platform that helps people with loan, banking, and investing, focused on younger customers. Trust me, they have a lot of customers now. Robinhood, a beginner friendly investing app that makes it easy to trade stocks and crypto with no commission, mainly popular with young investors again. VOO ETF, it is an index fund that is very safe, that tracks S&P 500, giving you tiny ownership of 500 biggest US stocks at once. Safer but slower growth. Hims and Hers, a telehealth company that sells health and wellness products online, growing quickly as more people use virtual healthcare. These are the 4 stocks that I personally like and I'm currently invested in. So yes guys, anyone can start investing in US stocks, whether you are an international student like me or a complete beginner. The process is simple. Download the brokerage app, make your account, deposit money, buy your first stock. It's just you have to get started. I started my investing journey 5 years ago back in Nepal. I started learning little by little, and today in US I have made my account very well. Trust me guys, the earlier you start, the more you'll thank yourself in the future. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, share it with your friend and family who want to start investing. Thank you for watching my video. I am Anrik and I'll see you in my next video. Hello.